So for today's video, I'm going to do a summer glow, summer fresh glam, but like 2021 version. Kasi malapit na po ang summer. So, alam mo yun, let's prepare each other. Anyway, wala na masyadong chika, let's start. And of course, kapag summer, you need to like put on your sunscreen. At ang gamit ko nowadays is from Fresh Skinlab Milk White Tone Up Sun Cream. This is so good, you guys. Ang ganda ng effect niya sa skin. To prep my lips, I'm going to use itong Colorette Blur Balm. This is not the best, but kailangan ko siyang gamitin, guys. I'm so sorry. Sayang ang pera. This is like $375. Just gonna use it as a lip balm. Before putting on my foundation, maglalagay muna ako ng concealer. This one pala is from Fashion 21. And this one is from Loreal Infallible. This one is darker and then this one is lighter to get my perfect combo. I'm gonna use a brush to blend it. Hayaan ko lang siya munang ganyan. What I'm going to do is blend yung gilid-gilid ng aking kinoncealer. Ito hindi ko na i-concealer. Eme lang yan. And then for my base, this is a summer must-have, you guys. BLK Cosmetics Skin Tint Sun Shield, yung Illuminating. Like, ilang beses ko nang binida sa inyo to, guys. For the eyes, ang dami kong mara-recommend sa inyo na hulas proof na pang eye color, you guys. And number one is siguro yung pinaka-affordable, yung EB Advanced Shadow Stick Cream Shadows. Super hulas proof, super long lasting, as in kakap talaga siya sa eyes mo. Another option is from Maybelline Sensational Effects Eyeshadow. Ayan. This is, hindi siya masyadong pinag-uusapan, pero guys, this is so matibay talaga. Hulas proof, very long lasting. And another option is yung FS Cosmetics Eyeshadow, Eyeshadow Gel. You guys, this is super pigmented. A little goes a long way. Ay, ayun na. Pero this super long lasting then, perfect pang ano mo yun, pang arawan and everything. But I'm not yet gonna do a full face glam, you guys. Ano lang to, summer fresh glam. Alam mo yun, hindi masyadong may effort. I'm gonna go for the EB Advance. Etong in the shade Copper. Super duper onte lang, not so not so bongacious. Ayan. And then I'm just gonna blend it. Gusto ko lang magkaroon ng shade yung eyelids ko. Isa-smudge mo siya, guys. Kailangan mabilis ka. Kasi medyo mabilis siya mag-set. And then, from my independent brand, Angel Face Liquid Highlighter in Penelope. Super affordable but super good na highlighter, you guys. I'm just gonna put it here sa gitna. Can you see me? Going to get yung color black shade nung Bilena shadow stick. Going to get an eyeliner brush. Let's move on with the rest of the face. I want to brighten up a little bit itong area na to, just tiny bit. So I'm going to take a lighter concealer. Super konti lang. Lalo na itong L'Oreal Infallible because this is like so pigmented. A little bit more nung Illuminating Skin Tint from BLK. For contour, I'm going to use some Bench Beauty contour stick. Since this is a summer look, the contour doesn't have to be like super duper harsh. Kaya maganda gumamit ng cream contour. For the blush, we want to maintain this fresh looking dewy thing going on. So I'm going to use itong Happy Skin On The Go blush, long wear cream blush. And yung Velvet Flush kasi more on matte finish siya, pero etong sa Happy Skin, it's creamy and it has sort of kind of a little bit of sheen to it. Then get your wet sponge again and just go over it like light dabs. Another good option, you guys, is from Sunnie's Face. This is like a blush and highlight in one. Ayan, oh, kita nyo. Pero dahil gagamit ako ng Sunnie's Face na highlighter, next time na to. Ay, let me contour my nose muna pala. Now for highlight, oh my god! Sunnie's Face Face Glass in the shade Nova. So beautiful! Okay guys, dahil summer tayo, I want to put a little bit of freckles. Spoolie and then yung Unbelieva brow. Yan. Dahil hindi bagay sa akin yung full face freckles, dito lang ako sa center nagfo-focus. And then, dito. For the lips, let's not do like a simple lip gloss. Let's amp it up a little bit. Let's do a little bit of lip contour muna. I'm going to use Focallure Pinkflash liquid lipstick. I'm going to put another shade, like a lighter pink, in the middle. Sassy Lady lip gloss. This is in the shade 06. Ito ang kanyang itsura. Diba? Just going to put it in the middle lang din. Wala ako nag-highlight ng lips. Alam mo yun? Finish it all off, guys. I'm going to spray some face fixers. Ito yung dalawang face fixers na meron ako. Try nyo humanap nung may salitang fixer or fixing and fix. It's a makeup setting spray, but I feel like it's a lot stronger and long-lasting yung effect. So I'm going to use this one from VD Cosmetics.
what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me and you. Full speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you.
Guys, so this is the finished product right here. This is just a very simple. Confused pa rin ako ano yung title ko. But you know, Summer Fresh Glam. Hindi pa ito yung Summer Ultimate Glam. Dahil abangan nyo yan. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have video suggestions, comment it down below. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye! Sorry guys, nakakairita talaga yung natatanggal na yung I need to change my lash glue.